Hello everyone, I am Dr. Alfia from Homeocare Clinic. Nowadays, respiratory illness is quite common among children as well as adults. We are supposed to be very happy that COVID-19 pandemic is over. However, the long COVID symptoms are still persistent. Many patients report to us lung-related issues. There are many signs and symptoms of respiratory illness like chest congestion, tightness in chest, difficulty in breathing, suffocation, nausea and vomiting, dizziness, vertigo. Homeopathy completely cures acute and chronic illness. We all know homeopathy cures diseases by its roots. So there are some homeopathic medicines for respiratory illness like Lamna minor, Bryonia, Belladonna. If you are going to take any homeopathic medicine, you should consult a good homeopathic doctor and kindly visit Homeocare Clinic. Thank you.